Meaning of go around.
Go around.
Go around.
Go around.
Go around. Go around refers to a procedure in aviation where an aircraft aborts its landing attempt due to various factors such as poor weather conditions, traffic proximity, or runway obstruction, and climbs back up into the sky to prepare for another approach. This is done to ensure the safety of everyone on board the aircraft and those on the ground. The go-around procedure involves several steps, including communicating with the air traffic controllers and making necessary adjustments to the aircraft's altitude and speed. Overall, the go-around helps prevent potentially dangerous situations during landing and ensures safe arrivals at the airport.